We're almost there, people. We're almost there. This horse goes fast, it freaking hurts every single time. This is a great experience though, in Bahrain. Wore shorts today, so my hairy legs would have been jacked up on this freaking these little steps right here. It keeps rubbing against my calves and it kind of burns, but I'm doing good with pants. Much it. Horseback riding in Bahrain. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll put some bloopers up right after this clip, some hilarious stuff that happened along the way. But yeah. Hit like, subscribe, just wait for more. I think I'll name you Philip. This is so cool, man. Yeah. Yeah. I smashed him. I'm jumping everywhere. This guy's ruthless, man. Easy. I can't even film like that.
Look at that beautiful beast. I'm talking about the horse. Look at my dust. I'm trying to stabilize.
Bye, horsey. Did great. Ah, yes, humble yourself before me.
This ride was amazing. As you know, the YouTuber Joe Schmo. Please subscribe. Look at how the tables turn interestingly. Yeah, if it's what it is, that's what it's meant to be.